BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF surpasses gold rival with $6.96 billion in inflows this year. Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock. Gold. GLD, the world's largest physically backed gold ETF, slid to 7th place on Monday with $6.5 billion in net inflows. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, IBIT, has recorded $6.96 billion in net inflows since the start of 2025, surpassing the SPDR Gold Trust, GLD, to become the 6th most popular ETF by inflows. GLD, the world's largest physically backed gold ETF, slid to 7th place on Monday with $6.5 billion in net inflows, according to Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas. The shift highlights a growing preference among institutional investors for digital assets over traditional safe haven assets like gold. Investors remain confident in Bitcoin compared to gold. Despite Bitcoin's recent price dip, which is down more than 10% from its January peak, investors appear confident in the cryptocurrency's long-term value. In contrast to Bitcoin, gold has climbed more than $3,000 this year amid concerns over inflation, global trade tensions, and geopolitical instability. Balchunas noted on X that the strong inflows into IBIT are a really good sign for the long term, and support projections that Bitcoin ETFs could eventually hold 3 times as much capital as their gold counterparts. As reported, spot Bitcoin ETFs are driving an aggressive wave of accumulation, buying nearly 6 times more Bitcoin last week than was created by miners. According to a May 4th report from asset allocator HODL 15 Capital, spot Bitcoin ETFs acquired 18,644 BTC over the past week. In contrast, only 3,150 BTC were mined during the same period, roughly 450 coins per day. While spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs have already received approval, the SEC has yet to greenlight any ETF product with staking functionality, something already seen in markets like Canada and Europe. In a parallel development, the Crypto Council for Innovation, backed by major firms including A16Z Crypto, Consensus, and Kraken, has called on the SEC for regulatory clarity on staking. In a letter to Commissioner Hester Pierce, the coalition argued that staking is a technical process, not a securities transaction, and urged the agency to support its responsible inclusion in ETFs. Currently, more than 70 crypto ETF applications are awaiting a decision from the SEC, according to Bloomberg. Bitcoin holds momentum as markets await Fed clarity. In its latest pre-FOMC market update shared with cryptonews.com, Nansen noted a shift toward cautious optimism as investors anticipate 3 rate cuts from the Federal Reserve in 2025, beginning potentially in July. While no changes are expected at the upcoming meeting, the broader market outlook has improved, pricing in reduced recession risk and more benign macro outcomes. U.S. consumption has slowed but remains resilient at 1.8% annualized, with some pressure on low- and middle-income households. Inflation, particularly in services, remains above the Fed's target, while jobless claims have edged higher but are not signaling a labor market breakdown. Fiscal policy proposals such as tax cuts and manufacturing incentives offer upside, though uncertainty over trade negotiations persists. Bitcoin's technicals have strengthened compared to equities, Nansen said. The firm added that BTC continues its upward trend, bolstered by strong momentum indicators, favorable moving averages, and renewed inflows into spot ETFs. In contrast, the S&P 500 has failed to break above its 200-day moving average, suggesting market hesitance toward riskier equity exposure. Despite the overall improvement in sentiment, Nansen notes that optimism has already been partially priced in. This reduces the asymmetry of the most bullish outlook and increases the need for fresh upside catalysts, particularly progress on trade policy. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Cardano price set to explode following successful Bitcoin bridge test. XRP price prediction. Real-world adoption is surging, is a breakout to $100 next. Bitcoin price prediction. Why the latest pullback might be the setup for a 2025 super rally. Bitcoin news. Florida latest to drop crypto bills. Stalling state-level Bitcoin reserve push. 1 day ago. By Amin Ayan. News. Trump coin price prediction. Why May 22nd could trigger a 10x rally, or total collapse. 13 hours ago. By Michael Davis. Altcoin news. Shiba Inu power play. Ethereum whale snaps up $1.7 million BONE tokens ahead of Shibarium airdrop. 1 day ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy for 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025. 14 next big cryptocurrencies. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.